Do you want to know how you can become an agent on 1xBet? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can become an agent on 1xBet. Go ahead and open 1xBet.com on your browser and scroll all the way down. Make sure that you have logged into your account and you can see Become an Agent. Go ahead and click on this link and it will take you to this site where it will help you to become an agent. You can see that you can make money with 1xBet. Working with our international betting company opens up a whole world of opportunities to those looking to start their own betting business. So you can see Become an Agent option over here, and you can also see additional details about them, so you can go through the site and you can also read how does this work. You can see the connection and the hierarchy process. Go ahead and click Become an Agent and you should fill in your details such as your country, region, city, first name, your phone number, email address, preferred method of contact, collaborations option, and your message. So after you write in all of this, go ahead and click Send and you can become an agent. So go ahead and click on Become an Agent, select your country. After you select your country, go ahead and write down your state, your city, your full name, or your first name or last name, your email address, your preferred method of contact, your collaboration options. The options are agent, bookmaker, and betting shop. So go ahead and click on agent and write down your message over here, something like, hey, I want to become an agent. Write something like this, write something appealing, and go ahead and click on Send Details. And this way you can become an agent using 1xBet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.